Mastering all register, unlocking the power of vocal range. Introduction. The human voice is a remarkable instrument capable of producing an astonishing range of sounds. One of the essential aspects of vocal training is developing proficiency in different registers. The concept of registers refers to distinct vocal ranges or areas within the voice. By mastering all registers, singers can unlock their full potential, expand their vocal capabilities, and enhance their expressiveness. In this article, we will delve into the importance of understanding and training different registers, exploring techniques, and offering practical tips for singers to harness the power of their vocal range. Understanding registers. Chest voice. The chest voice is the lowest and most natural register for most individuals. It resonates in the chest and provides a rich, powerful sound commonly used in speaking and lower-pitched singing. Head voice. The head voice resides in the higher range and resonates in the head. It produces a lighter and more ethereal quality. It is often associated with falsetto in male singers. Mixed voice. The mixed voice combines elements of both chest and head voices. It bridges the gap between the lower and upper registers, enabling singers to transition smoothly and maintain a balanced and connected sound. 2. Benefits of mastering all registers. Expanded range. By developing proficiency in all registers, singers can expand their vocal range, enabling them to comfortably hit higher and lower notes. This opens up a vast repertoire of songs and styles that they can explore and perform with confidence. Vocal flexibility. The ability to seamlessly transition between registers allows singers to express a wide range of emotions and dynamics within their performances. It adds depth, versatility, and nuance to their interpretations, captivating audiences with their vocal flexibility. Vocal health. Properly training all registers promotes vocal health. It ensures that singers distribute their vocal workload evenly, avoiding strain or damage associated with over-reliance on a particular register. A balanced approach fosters longevity in a singer's career. 3. Techniques for developing all registers. Vocal exercises. Engaging in targeted vocal exercises is vital for register development. Vocal warm-ups, scales, arpeggios, and sirens help strengthen and coordinate the muscles responsible for producing different registers. Breath control. Developing breath control is crucial for mastering all registers.